two MS3 and two MS5 are 5-axis CNC machines developed to optimize the spline rolling process. All the ORT SplinX models are supplied in standard configuration with double sides, servo motors and motorized center rolling devices to get the best measurement repeatability and accuracy. The center rolling device is suitable to clamp and to ensure the right positioning of the workpiece between the rolling dies. Thanks to the controlled access, it is also possible to roll multiple splines in a single machine setup. The newest laser generation gives to the die match research the best performance for a quick machine setup. The redesigned mainframe has a very high sturdiness and vibration absorption to ensure the high precision needed by the automotive industry requirements. The operator panel has a friendly use interface for easy human interaction with the machine. Several options and accessories are available: special hydraulic pack for energy saving, rotating chuck system for the tailstock, teleassistance with Internet Industrial Router, interface for any kind of automation. ORT Italia. Innovation never stops.